This is how you make cream of asparagus soup. To ensure that my asparagus doesn't brown as fast, we can add a little bit of olive oil or canola oil. So something na mas mataas yung smoke point kay butter. And then, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is we are going to use our asparagus. Okay, asparagus, usually yung spears, separate siya kasi that's used for garnish. The one that's used for flavor, diba like when you do asparagus, ang tinatanggal dyan is yung stems. And then sometimes you discard this. But you don't really discard this. When you order cream of asparagus soup, yung tinitikman nyo ay nakakain nyo, hindi actually yung spears. It's the stem. So instead of it going to waste, we can maximize that. As early as now, you want to season it. Why? Because when you bite into the asparagus, you want it already seasoned. If I season it at the end, ano mangyayari? Walang lasa yung asparagus. The liquid will be salty or it will have flavor, but the actual asparagus itself, walang lasa. Secret, stock. Just a little bit to adjust. So heavy cream. Ano yung advantage of using heavy cream as opposed to all-purpose? It's more heat stable basically. Next,